you recently celebrated your 51st birthday. What's the biggest lesson you've learned in your half century of existence?
One can easily destroy their future by enjoying their youth in the wrong way. In the band that I played for, I was the youngest. So the temptations were many. And all my friends were into sleeping around. And at first I said I don't want to get into this. But I was pressured by peer pressure. But the good thing is God found a very funny way to correct me. Because the first time I slept with a woman, I got a serious STI, which lasted more than 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So I said to myself, I won't do this again.
Yeah.
But as soon as I got healed, I did it again with somebody different and got another STI, a stronger one. And then I just said, you know what, anybody who wants to laugh at me can laugh all they want. I'm going to abstain until I get married. So I abstained until I got married. That's how I survived, because the majority of the friends of the guys that I started music with, they are all dead. I had to look for new friends. They are all dead because of HIV/AIDS and the promiscuity.
Well, it's monosophical. It is what it is. We say it like it.